us a little bit about your history.
Well, 20 years ago, I started and starved to death. And now we're doing all right. I'm really proud of Bigfoot. Over the years, we've grown. Well, I started out making by myself and had one part-time guy, and today we have 10, and perhaps a second shift soon. We've just added this new building, 20,000 square feet. The benefits of the new space are that our turnaround, because of the larger space, we can bring in more material, we can have a faster turnaround of product, and hopefully get it out in a day or two. What makes Bigfoot the best product for outrigger pads? Bigfoot pads are great for the utilities and the crane outfits due to the lifetime warranty on the plastic. We've been in business 20 years. We've never replaced a pad yet. But if somebody has one that needs it, we will replace it. We use the highest grade material we can find. We don't spare cost there. We use only American-made plastic. We do not bring anything from overseas. Our ultra pads are made right here in Woodstock, Illinois, with American labor and American plastic, and they're guaranteed forever.